eternal Lord, clothed in our human flesh and blood. You chose a manger for your throne, while worlds on worlds are yours alone. Once did the skies before you bow, a virgin's arms contained you now. Angels who did angels rejoice, now listen for your infant voice. Oh little child, you are our guest, that weary ones in weary rest. For Lord, that holy is your birth, that we may rise from heaven to earth. You came to us in darkest night, to make us children, like angels in the realms divine, like realms divine. The shall shine.